Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel UPBGE. In this video, I'm going to present and share about my experiment when I want to use some sensor called movement. Okay, as we know, we can use movement sensor when we want to define something when it moves to any axis. Alright, in this branch file I'm gonna show you when I press start. Alright, this cube has gravity. Alright, I set it, and now I'm gonna try to move this forward like this. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's have a look at the corner of the screen. You will see a property cube name axis. It shows you about a status name left and right. Okay, I think everyone has a question that why I want to show you about this simple thing. Alright, okay, let's have a look at the corner up of the screen. You can see when object move to left, the property a value turn left and turn right. Alright, as we know, in UPBGE 0.36 and UPBGE 2.5, we can also use in logic break sensor. Alright, it's easy, but some my friends they use Blender 7 sorry, excuse me. Some of my friends they use 2.79, and in Blender 2.79 it doesn't have movement sensor. Alright, so what can we do? Alright, okay, this is my experiment to solve the problem when we don't have movement sensor. Alright, I made by using Python script like this. Okay, now you can see. Alright, let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna press start the game. Alright, you can see. You can look at the corner of the screen. You can see some available name axis. It's gonna turn left and right when the cube move to their direction. Okay, sometime move to the right and the left like this. To implement this, I think it's useful for 2D game, and I will make it. And then so I present this video make sure that I can use this. I can implement to make 2D game. And my friends, they use Blender 2.79. They can use also. Okay, sir. Now let me explain for short. So this clip how it works. Alright, I gonna explain for short, and I think it might not clear for my English. Alright, okay. The first thing you need to know and you need to see, you have to see my available at this cube. Okay, there are four variables. Alright, a property name A, B, number, and axis. Alright, the first thing, imagine when the game start. Alright, when the game start, this number is going to count. When the game is start, the number is counting. Start with number 1, number 2, number 3, and as you can see, if number is equal 3, I decide to set the number back to 0. In this case, when the number is 3, it's gonna turn to 0. To reset. Alright. Okay. When this is, it's just like even when the number is number 1. Alright. Okay, I wrote a sentence to save position into a value. Alright, when the cube is on somewhere, it's gonna save position in a value, and then if the cube move on left a little, now when the counting number is number 2, then save position of this cube in B value. In this case, cube is over here, A, imagine A is -1, and then if cube move a little on left side, B is equal -2, and I use this value to compare on this line. Okay, if A less than B, right. If A greater than B is left, like these sentences. Okay, alright. I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you again next